Hi book friends, it's Michelle here, coming to you from the River Valley where it is a beautiful day. It's like summer, but the leaves are starting to turn every shade of red, gold, and yellow. So I'm gonna have a bookish day reading outdoors, and I thought I'd take you with me and share the adventure. Come along. Hi again, friends. Well, I wanted to take you with me because the city I live in here by the North Saskatchewan River features the largest urban parkland in all of North America. And in the fall time, it is stunning. So please continue coming along with me as I explore the River Valley and take you with me. Hi friends, it's me again, and after my walk in the river valley, I decided to stop off and grab a bite to eat from a super cute little neighborhood coffee shop. As you saw, they make an awesome chickpea salad sandwich on marbled rye bread. It's delicious. I would drive across town, and I frequently do, to get this particular sandwich. I don't care if you're vegan, carnivore, whatever. It's just delicious. So I'm gonna go eat. Hi friends. As you can see, I'm now back at home from my little adventure at the park. Walking around in the river valley was a lot of fun today, and I wanted to spend a little time telling you what I'm reading. Reading and reading in nature go hand in hand. What could be better? So I hope wherever you are, you're having a great day, that you're able to go out and enjoy the nice early fall, late summer weather wherever you are. And the book I'm reading now is Two Nights in Lisbon by Chris Pavone. This book has been blurbed by both Stephen King as well as John Grisham, and both of them claimed that you cannot put this book down. Well, I have to third that. Once I start reading this book, I do not want to stop. In this book, we're following a woman named Ariel. She and her husband are in Lisbon, Portugal on a business trip. She has accompanied him, and we do not know what type of business exactly that he does. But we follow them on night one. They've been out partying, it's their first night, they're tired, they go to bed. She wakes up the next morning and John is gone. She checks with the hotel staff, with housekeeping, with the front desk people. Nobody has seen him, nobody knows anything. She cannot reach him on his cell phone. He's not picking up. He's not answering any text messages, nothing like that. So she is low-key panicking. She doesn't know where to go. So her next move is to go to the police station. And yeah, the police aren't very helpful to her either. She then goes to, they're very reluctant to look into it as he hasn't been missing for that long. That's basically what it is. You know, she woke up and he's not in their hotel room, but he hasn't even been missing for 12 hours yet. So they kind of, tell her they'll keep an eye out, but they're not really doing much. So she goes to the US Embassy and she meets some interesting people working there, but none of them are overly helpful either. So she leaves. It's hot. It's packed with tourists walking around. She's feeling really worried and tired and hot and out of sorts. So she decides as she's walking that maybe she can see some security footage from the hotel cameras, the security cameras. Finally, she gets the footage somehow, or gets to see it at the hotel, and she sees a car pull up. She sees her husband leave in the morning and a shadowy kind of a car pull up, and then he disappears. So the first part of this book, I'm about 50 pages in, is dealing with his disappearance, this John guy. Ariel herself is very interesting. She is a small bookstore owner, and we don't know much about her. We do know that she has changed her name for some unknown reason and left the small town where she's originally from to start up a new life in the city. We don't know how she met her husband, John. We do know that they have a child together, and that while she's in Portugal, one of her employees from the bookstore back home is keeping in touch, letting her know how things are going. And yeah, super interesting side characters as well. So what can I say? I'm going to spend the rest of the afternoon reading this book because I just have to know what's going to happen. We know how John disappeared. We know what Ariel's doing about it. We're slowly learning about her as a character, as well as the police in Lisbon, the people at the US Embassy, and the hotel staff, who are all also very interesting people. So far, so great. And yeah, I hope to tell you all about it in a future wrap-up video or even a book review if I really love it. So thank you for coming along with me on my day today of being outdoors and out in nature. Hope you're having a great weekend and a great start to September. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.